Prepare to be amazed as we dive into 30 incredible ChatGPT hacks that will unlock the full potential of this powerful tool. From productivity and creativity to business and finance, these hacks will help you get the most out of ChatGPT and make your life easier. So buckle up and join us on this exciting journey. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone looking to leverage the power of AI, these ChatGPT hacks are sure to impress you. Let's get started. Productivity hacks. Get ready to supercharge your productivity with ChatGPT. These hacks will help you get more done in less time and take your efficiency to the next level. Number 1, text summarization. ChatGPT can summarize large amounts of text, saving you time and helping you focus on the key points. Number 2, writing assistant. Whether it's emails, articles, or social media posts, ChatGPT can assist you in writing various types of content. Number 3, language translation. Need to translate a phrase or sentence? ChatGPT can do it quickly and accurately, breaking down language barriers. Number 4, code generation. From Python scripts to HTML tags, ChatGPT can generate code snippets for various purposes. Number 5, brainstorming. Stuck on a project, ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas and solutions, providing fresh perspectives. Number 6, time management. Need help organizing your schedule? ChatGPT can create schedules and reminders, ensuring you stay on track. Number 7, note-taking. During meetings or lectures, ChatGPT can take notes for you, capturing all the essential points. Number 8, research. Gather information and data from various sources. ChatGPT can conduct research on your behalf, saving you valuable time. Number 9, proofreading and grammar. Check your writing for grammar and spelling errors. ChatGPT can proofread your text, helping you polish your work. Number 10, content planning. Create outlines and content plans for various types of content, ensuring a structured approach. Creative hacks. Let your creativity run wild with these ChatGPT hacks. They'll help you express yourself, explore new ideas, and bring your imagination to life. Number 11, story writing. Whether it's a short story or a novel, ChatGPT can assist you in crafting engaging narratives. Number 12, poetry generation. ChatGPT can compose poems on various topics and styles, inspiring your own creative writing. Number 13, script writing. Create scripts for videos, podcasts, or plays. ChatGPT can help you develop compelling dialogues and storylines. Number 14, songwriting. Looking to write a song? ChatGPT can assist with lyrics and melodies, helping you express your musical talent. Number 15, art and design. ChatGPT can describe and visualize various art and design concepts, sparking your creativity. Number 16, game design. Create text-based games or interactive stories. ChatGPT can assist in developing engaging game narratives and mechanics. Number 17, character development. Building characters for your stories or games. ChatGPT can help you create memorable and complex characters. Number 18, world building. Developing fictional worlds. ChatGPT can assist in creating immersive and detailed settings. Number 19, idea generation. Stuck on a creative project? ChatGPT can help you generate unique and innovative ideas. Number 20, learning and education. Use ChatGPT to learn new skills, explore academic topics, or brush up on your knowledge. It's a versatile learning companion. Business and finance hacks. Take your business to the next level with these ChatGPT hacks. They'll help you increase revenue, improve efficiency, and stay ahead of the competition. Number 21, market research. Conduct market research and analyze industry trends. ChatGPT can provide valuable insights to inform your business decisions. Number 22, business plan. Create a comprehensive business plan with ChatGPT's assistance, outlining your goals and strategies for success. Number 23, marketing and advertising. Develop marketing campaigns and advertisements. ChatGPT can help you craft compelling messages and target audiences. Number 24, sales and customer service. Improve your sales techniques and customer service with ChatGPT's guidance. It can simulate conversations and provide best practices. Number 25, financial analysis. Analyze financial data and create reports. ChatGPT can assist with calculations and presentations, helping you make informed decisions. At number 26, human resources. Manage your human resources more effectively with ChatGPT's help. It can assist with recruitment, training, and employee engagement. Number 27, operations and logistics. Optimize your operations and logistics. ChatGPT can help you streamline processes and improve efficiency. Number 28, supply chain management. Ensure a smooth supply chain with ChatGPT's assistance. It can help you manage inventory, track shipments, and mitigate risks. Number 29, e-commerce. Take your e-commerce business to the next level with ChatGPT. It can assist with product descriptions, customer service, and marketing. Number 30, personal finance. Manage your personal finances effectively with ChatGPT. It can help you create budgets, track expenses, and plan for the future. And there you have it, 30 incredible ChatGPT hacks to unlock its full potential. Whether you're looking to boost your productivity, unleash your creativity, or take your business to new heights, these hacks have you covered. But our journey doesn't end here. We've got more exciting content coming your way. So stay tuned and don't miss out on any future updates. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and see you in the next video.